Got up super early this morning, headed out to Dead Horse Point State Park. Not only do I want to catch the sunrise up here, but I wanted to try to beat the crowds also. And it looks like I've accomplished that because there's, as you can see, really nobody up here. I'm going to try to get into a better position over here, and I'll be switching off the GoPro and then over to the camera and see if I can get a really good shot of this. Okay, so it looks like solar evaporation ponds. That's what we're looking at down there. What's really cool about that is it really adds to the scenery. You get like a nice reflection off of those. It just really looks super cool. Hope this is all coming out in the video well. As you can see, they've put a lot of work into the different pathways up here leading around the rim of the canyon to give you different vantage points with this amazing scenery up here. A layer cake out of time. Yeah, this was all carved by the flow of water, and here we got a really good view of the Colorado River down below. So that's actually what was responsible for all of this. Check that out. Looks like there's a smaller observation point up here. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to see what kind of a view we can get from this one. Just look at that. Isn't that an amazing view out through there? So weird to have all this to myself up here right now. Total peace and quiet. I'm just gonna stroll around and kind of take all this in for a bit.